Hey there, what's up? Hope you're all doing well. But today we're going to show you how you can log out and remove Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G phone. And this process is same for any Samsung A series phone. Go to settings and then click on your account. To log out from your account on your phone, scroll down and tap on sign out. And again, tap on sign out. Write down your password for this account and then tap on OK. And by this process, you have just signed out to your account. To remove your account from your phone, make sure you're already logged into your Samsung account on your phone. From settings, go to accounts and backup. Tap on it and then tap on manage accounts. Then tap on the account you want to remove and then tap on remove account. So that's how you can log out and remove Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A series phone. We hope that was helpful. Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.